Once your sill cap is adjusted, the weather strip needs to be trimmed to the correct length. First, make sure the weather strip is installed completely at the top of the door jamb. Then mark the weather strip at the point where it reaches the top of the sill cap. Pull the weather strip straight out and cut it at the mark. Then reinstall it by pushing the weather strip straight back into the jamb curve. A properly trimmed weather strip will not have gaps or be folded at the top or bottom, but will fit flush to the head jamb and sill cap. For in-swing door systems, Therma-Tru requires 7 shape corner seal pads. Before applying them, dry fit them to the jamb, keeping the paper backing on. Therma-Tru uses a permanent adhesive on the corner seal pad, and once it sticks to the door jamb, it will not release. The top of the corner pad is wider than the bottom, and the bottom edge will be the same width as the sill cap. Make sure to install the corner pad correctly with the top tucked underneath the weather strip.